Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting evening. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Follow me on Instagram where I post flat lays, beauty looks, beauty products, all kinds of fun things like that. So for today's video, we're going to be reviewing Allure's Beauty Box. For April's month. I don't know how much longer I have with this beauty box, and you get full size and deluxe items. So let's see what we got in this month. So they always give you a brochure, and then they start to go in they start to go in depth with all the products in here. So let's see. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we got 6 items in this box today. So then the first item is a Skin Restore Eye Serum. These eye serums, I have to say, the ones that I've got in Allure Beauty Box, they are really good. This looks like it's a full-size item too, I bet. Okay, so it has a button. Oh, it's yellow too, look. It doesn't have a smell. It smells like most of the eye serums that I have. So this is what it looks like. So the colors of it looks like the sunset. Okay, so this girl said that she has oily eyelids, a recipe for makeup smudges. So she usually uses an eye cream only at night. But she found that this formula is light enough to use during the day too. Okay, we can see how it goes. And this retails for $85. The next item, I live by these. Face moisturizer. These are the first things that you need to put on your face before you put on anything on your face. Put a moisturizer on your face. Doesn't matter, CeraVe. I highly suggest everybody always put a moisturizer on your face. Okay, so it says instructions: after a cleanser, spread a small amount of moisturizer all over the face. I think it might have one of those little peely things on it. Yeah, it does. I don't want to open it now because I have this one open, but it's just the moisturizer you need for your face. So this looks like, I don't know if looks like it's a deluxe size, I believe. And there's a promo code where you can receive 20% off your order. So the price of the full size is $49. Here's the item here. So the next item, yay, we got a makeup item, yay! I never get makeup items, so I'm excited to get one. So this is the Chella V eyeshadow palette. This is a really cute box. So this is a sample size, and I think it's so cute. Actually, this was in the Ipsy Glam bag. You could have chose this item in that if you wanted to, but I didn't have that option, I don't think. I'm glad I didn't buy it. I'm glad I didn't choose it, because then I would have had 2. Then I would have didn't put it in my giveaway. But the colors on here, they're pretty. Like, this is a good little palette when you want to put in your travel, because it has a really good array of colors. You know, your neutral base, your crease colors, and this color if you want to smoke it out on the end, like the dark brown to smoke it out on the ends. So this would be pretty to put in your little travel makeup case. Yeah, I definitely like this. Thank you, Allure Beauty Box, for this. This is another yes. 3 out of 3 so far. I'm really happy with everything that I got. Okay, so my next item is Aveda Botanical Repair Mask. Okay, so it's a hair mask, yes. So it's Aveda Botanical Repair Intensive Strengthening Mask. This would be really good for my hair. You see how dry it is right now? Maybe I'll put this in my bathroom and I'll try it, because my hair is just a mess right now. Oh, okay. It has like a really nice minty smell. It smells like avocado and mint, I guess I could say. Here it is here. And the full price of this is a deluxe size. So this retails for $44. And there's 20% if you want to use Allure. If you want to buy it, you can get 20% off. Okay, the next item is a full size item. This is a cargo swimmables. Oh, it's pretty. It's a gold color. Oh, I put it right there. Oh, I like this. I will definitely use this. I like to use these kinds of colors underneath my waterline or even above with a black liner on it, just to give your eyes a little bit of a pop. I will definitely try this. This looks like a full size, so this retails for $18. Very nice. So the next item I got was this Mighty Patch, Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch. So this is good for when you have breakouts, like period week. I usually get them here, sometimes here, mostly here. So this would be good for that. Blemishes always show up at the worst times. That's why we created Mighty Patch. Hydrocolloided acne patches that extracts impurities, camouflages blemishes, and helps heal your skin. Nice. So this come in handy, especially like when it's period time. I usually get them here. So that was a yes. So far everything's a yes. So far everything in this box I can't wait to try, and I am happy for everything that's in there. And if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Follow me on Instagram. I post 3 to 4 times a week more there than I can here on YouTube. It's just editing videos takes a little while, but we're getting back to it. I have my good weeks and my bad weeks like everybody else. I like my new setup. I still have to rearrange things and make sure everything flows a little better, and I will show you guys my room once it's done. My life is just a mess right now. You can't see over there. If you see over there, I'd cry. But if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Follow me on Instagram, like I said. Before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. I will see all you birdies later. Bye, every birdie.